Nicole Matthews with a cheap attack, sending Cat Power to the floor, leaving us with one on one. Oh, no, wait a minute. And this is where Nicole rethought her entire life. Von Eerie and Cat Power staring down the champ. And each of them taking a turn, laying into Nicole. Champion hitting the floor. Little teamwork, but remember, this is a triple threat match. There can be only one.
First ball to the finish there, Cody. First person female to score a pinball submission will be the ECCW Women's Champion. This is not elimination, so this is going to be more strength than a marathon, right?
It's true. The champion is at a severe disadvantage here. Nicole Matthews doesn't have to be pinned or submitted to lose. But can you imagine if Cat Power was able to secure this one, would be holding damn near all the gold. Sweeping the legs of Cat Power, taking her to the floor. And the action once again pouring out of the ring. As long as take your eyes off on it. Beautifully done by Christina Von Eerie. Hashtag oi, oi, oi.
How do you spell Oi? Is it O-I-E? Is it...
O-I. You got there. You got there. Wait a minute. What is Cat having in mind? Cat Power! Up and over! Middle row! Beautiful stage dive! Taking out everybody in the process!
What a missile cap!
Force champions.
This is the first match of the tag team champions are in singles action here. This is
Yeah, the grind out. Singles are not tonight. Have some solo opportunities. Oh! A huge shot by Cat Power. She enjoyed every second of it. Damn near destroying Von Eerie in the process. I call this on the band name White Cats. Nicole Matthews. Attention to the fans. That's Power and Von Eerie.
Get her! Hold on. All right, wait a second. Let me say something. Keep it back. I'm running this back. Now, just a second. I have something very important to say. But you two aren't licensed for something, and that is being out here. In my pocket, I have my manager's license. I invite you to check it out, and for you two to present yours. I will take yours back. Let's see it.
I have consent.
What up?
I have consent. It's okay.
Stay back. Hey, stay back. There we go.
think you've seen it all in wrestling. Wait a minute. Von Eerie. Cat Power with an onslaught of attacks. Sends the champ down. Oh. Champ, what are you thinking about this?
Champ's been the champ many times in this company, many belts. She knows what she's doing. Very smart running it out of the way and let the two challengers fight out for a while here, huh?
Boys in boots. Wait a minute. Von Eerie. Ooh, runs right into a back elbow by the champ. Matthews is thinking tornado. But Cat Power cutting her off at the pass. Uh-oh, things are not looking good for the champ.
Please no. Please no. I'm begging you. It's happening, Cass. Oh, shut your
Cassidy's begging for him to stop, but the fans are begging for it to happen.
And all three females are down. Man, what a move. I can't call a winner right now, Cody.
A mess of amazing wrestlers lay in the ring after that huge super suplex. It is now Von Eerie. Von Eerie, Cat Power, hit for hit. Both of them like fighting up to their feet. Both of these women want to be the ECCW Women's Champion. Ow. Cat Power almost daring her to hit her.
Christina Von Eerie's face just smashed on Cat Power's champion. Oh, Cat's in her up.
Oh, Von Eerie in the right place at the right time. We were a split second away from a new champ. Laser out, 1, 2. Oh my God, I thought Von Eerie was about to be the new champ. But Nicole Matthews was laying in wait. What was that attempt? Matthews holding on to it. Looking for some Northern Lights. Beautiful bridge. Wow, once again, we are a split second away. Nicole Matthews making her way to her feet, but only to be met by a series of attacks from Cat Power. Into the ropes. Uh-oh. Roaring elbow sends one half of the tag team champions down. Drop toe hold, quick counter. That's her up. Oh, no. Von Eerie gets hung up in the middle rope there. One of Matthews having
Cody, this has been such a back and forth match. I really can't call a winner. All three of these females are just killing each other. What's this double underhook by Von Eerie?
And that's a Ow. That shot echoed throughout the venue. And now this is looking like it's Cat's moment. Picking her up by the mohawk, dropping her down, hits to the back. And now plotting the demise of Von Eerie. Wait a minute, Von Eerie fighting out of it. Oh, boot attempt, gets caught. Power puts her up. Uh-oh. She Slayer. Nails her, Von Eerie's down. Oh, with a briefcase, 1, 2, 3.
As you know, there is no DQs in that trouble match. She's a great champ, Cody. She's really good.
your ECCW